Today we are in Barcelona and we're doing the Iconic Barcelona excursion. This excursion is offered by cruise ships in Barcelona and is Viking's included excursion in Barcelona. So I'm going to tell you what this excursion entails, and at the end of the video I'll give you some hints on protecting your valuables whilst you're in Barcelona. The brochure describes the tour as a 4-hour relaxing drive and a leisurely walk. You pass the Columbus Monument, Port Vell and the Arc de Triomf, a stately remnant of the 1880s World Fair. Then you walk into the historic centre, stopping to view the stunning neo-Gothic Barcelona Cathedral. After enjoying free time and an opportunity to take a short walk through the Gothic quarter, you'll return to the ship. However, the excursion differs from the brochure description. There are actually 2 walking parts to the excursion. The first goes to La Sagrada Familia, and the second is through the Gothic quarter, where you can view the Barcelona Cathedral. The walking involved is described as moderate. The right side of the bus will give you the best views of Port Vell, the beaches and Casa Mila, while the driver's side will give the best views of the Arc de Triomf and Casa Batllo. The tour starts at the dock, where you board the bus that takes you along the waterfront and through Port Vell. Port Vell is home to a number of very large private yachts. The bus then travels along the coast before going inland through the athletes' village from the 1992 Olympics and past the Arc de Triomf. This part of the trip passes the impressive Plaza de Charles Darwin and the Barcelona Casino. From the Arc de Triomf, the bus travels through the city and along Passage de Gracia with its Gaudi-inspired architecture, including Casa Batllo and Casa Mila. From here the bus heads to a parking area approximately 600 metres or 1/3 of a mile downhill from La Sagrada Familia. The walk uphill to the Basilica is over uneven ground at times. The tour only shows you the outside of the Sagrada Familia from the front and one side, but does not include entry to the Basilica. Your free time of about 45 minutes at the Basilica starts when you reach some souvenir shops on the southern end of the Basilica. The shops have restrooms in the back which you can use at no cost. The free time is enough for you to walk around the Basilica, not long enough for you to go inside, so please don't purchase entry tickets for this excursion. There is a cafe on the corner near the souvenir shop, but there's no free seating near these shops. These shops are due to be demolished in the next few years for extensions to the Basilica. After the free time, you'll have another 600-metre walk downhill back to the bus. Although a relatively easy walk, watch your step. Some of the gutters along the streets are steep and the pavement uneven. Someone in our group fell over trying to negotiate them. Then on to the Gothic Quarter. Here, another walking experience takes you through the old part of the town with its narrow walkways, government offices and the Barcelona Cathedral. It's a 600-metre or 1/3 of a mile round trip walk to the cathedral. Our tour guide was going to leave us to navigate this ourselves, but after some prodding from the group, the tour guide did lead us part way into the quarter. After meeting back at a designated area, the bus returns to the ship. that's the Iconic Barcelona excursion. I hope you enjoy your tour as much as we enjoyed ours. If you want to see more of what Barcelona has to offer, check out our snapshots from Barcelona video. There is a link to this below. And now, I'd like to give you some tips for keeping your valuables safe while exploring Barcelona, because Barcelona is a renowned pickpocket area. Generally, pickpocketers leave the larger tour groups alone, but the following tips can help with the security of your belongings. Leave your valuables in a secure place in your room. Keep your bag in front of you with your arm over it, and do not put your wallet in your back pocket. Be wary of anyone, even children, who approach you, no matter how friendly they are. Don't give your camera or phone to anyone you wouldn't or don't know so they can take a photo of you. They may run off with it. In restaurants, keep your bag closed and on your lap or between your feet, not next to you or hanging on your chair, and never leave your phone, etc., lying on cafe tables. Barcelona is a wonderful place to visit. Have fun exploring its many attractions.